So with this one, it says that x varies inversely as the square root of y. So what that means is, just that alone means we've got x equals some number, and we usually call it k, over the square root of y. The inversely part means that we don't multiply this number by square root of y, we divide it. Now the second piece of information, x equals 20 when y equals 1/4, this allows us to figure out what the value of k is. So we substitute 20 in for x, and then for y, we substitute 1/4. Now the square root of 1/4 is 1/2, because the square root of 4 is 2. So what we need to do is we need to multiply both sides by 1/2. And so we get 10 equal to k. And now that we've got our constant, now we can use our equation, which is x equals 10 over the square root of y, to determine the value of x when y equals 1/9. So we take 10 over the square root of 1/9. Now, the square root of 1/9 is 1/3. Why? Because the square root of 9 is 3, and this is just the reciprocal of that. So we have 10 divided by 1/3. And in reality, we don't divide fractions. What we really do is we multiply by the reciprocal. So when you multiply by the reciprocal of 1/3, that's 3 over 1. So we get an answer, an x value of 30. And we're done.